Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not saving video. So the first thing you can do is to go to your settings, tap General, then go to iPhone storage and just go to TikTok. Alright, so I need to mention that before we do this step that it's gonna delete your drafts. So only do that if you don't need your drafts or you have them saved. If you don't have them saved, basically what you can try before that step is just to go to your app store and click on the search bar and just search for TikTok and see if there's an update for the application. If there is the update for the application, you just need to click update and then see if this resolved your problem. But if this didn't solve your problem, then you go to General, you go to iPhone storage, TikTok, and if you don't need your drafts, you can try to offload the application. This is gonna free up storage used by the app but keep the documents and data. And just click offload app and then click reinstall app and it's gonna force update the application. So another thing you can try is just to reboot your phone, because this can solve a lot of problems with many applications. Another problem you may have is if you go to TikTok and if you want to save other people's videos, not your own drafts, and you just click on the arrow and you don't see the save video option, then maybe this person has certain privacy video settings that they don't make it able for others to save the video. You just need to check other people's videos, and if they have the save video option, then this may be the problem and you cannot solve that problem because this person didn't allow in their privacy settings for others to be able to save this video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to fix TikTok not saving video.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.